What's up, Uchiha clan? It's your boy Stitch Uchiha, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all my process of how I do my pants. If you follow me on Instagram, y'all know I like to paint my clothes and customize them to my own style. And yeah, today I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. So we're gonna get started. Okay, so this one right here, I already started this one. I was gonna record, but I was like, okay, I'm too far into it, so I'm just gonna wait to do the other side. But you can see, got the raw natural rolling papers. Got Bossy. Got Snitsel from Chowder, and that white right there is drying. I put Mod Podge over it, so it's just drying right now. Yeah, Mod Podge, it don't take that long to dry. Nah, I did all the little stuff around there with just a permanent marker, so that's pretty simple. And over here, I'm gonna do Squidward. Put Squidward right there, Squidward right here, and then I'm gonna do just some more stuff like this around it. So yeah, I also had another pack of pants, didn't open it yet. Yeah, I ain't opening it yet, but I don't know if I'm gonna put some holes in these pants. I might put some holes over here. I'm not, because over there, because that's just all the way already done up. And I don't know if I'm gonna do anything on the back. I might do something on the pockets maybe. I don't know, but I just know whatever I do is gonna be fire because I'm doing it. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this one, and we're gonna start with the sketch. Alright, so first we're gonna do the sketch. I'm gonna use a crayon. They just easy to use on pants. These pencils don't really work, and I don't really use color pencils anyway, so them ain't really it for me. But yeah, I'm gonna use a crayon, sketch them out, and then I'm gonna go in with the paint, and then I'm gonna do the outline. Any of you was wondering this way, I keep all my paint in the drawer. I need to get some more because I'm getting really low. I ran out of all my browns, my darker browns, not like these and stuff. I think one of these gold. Oh yeah, I use Apple Barrel. This is my favorite paint. It just really works for me. I'm trying to find that gold one. I can't find my gold paint, but it's alright because I don't need gold. I just want to show y'all I had gold paint. Yeah, I'm finna do this sketch with the crayon and I'll get back at y'all. Okay, so I got it finished, and now I'm gonna start painting. And what I'm gonna use is this huge palette I have. I've been using this for like a couple of years, so it's really dirty. But yeah, Squidward. And then I'm gonna put just a bunch of different stuff like that, like the little doodles around it and all that, and just do them up. So this is it now. We got the chrome they got some heart. We got Squidward. This was the closest I can get the colors to match, and I kind of like made his head go up a little too high, so it probably just came out right there. Kind of curved in a little bit more. Not why, but it's all right. I did my best, and that's all that matters. Put a couple of rips in there, so the nose get like more defined to look better. But yeah, now have to put the Mod Podge on, and then they'll be ready. So yeah, that's it. And I don't think I'm gonna do like the little all that stuff on this side. I think I'm gonna just leave this side like this. Yeah, but yeah, that's it pretty much. I get back at y'all when it's all the way done. Hey y'all, so I just put the Mod Podge on, and this one is not all the way dry, but it's most of it's dry. You still see some of the spots kinda, but yeah, that's gonna give it that little shine. And this finishing is gonna add extra layer of protection. I decided to put like a few little things up here, and just a little shredded dude down there. Nothing at the bottom though, for real. And some rips right there. I don't even know if they're gonna be at my knee or not, but they'll do what they do. Yeah, we got all this over here, right over there. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed y'all. Yeah, but then you go all the way down to your feet. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. And I'll show y'all what they look like with them on. Alright, yeah, so this is it. Finished. I'm in the mirror in my mama room. She got one of them tall mirrors that like get your full body. Yeah, bro, they came out so good. They're like, she got these drips on the pipe right now. Boom, nigga. Hands in the pocket, nigga. What you know about that? What you know about that school, boy? What you know about that school? What you know about this, nigga? Alright, let me take y'all through. The whole thing. Alright, so first up here, it's just some marker. Got this little weed plant. We all know what weed is. Straight nourishment for the body. Alright, we got the little drips on the pockets right there. Cause you know a nigga be dripping. Hold on. Next, we got the raw natural rolling papers on the pants leg. You know the vibes. Natural rolling paper, cause we can't use that. Can't use that terrible stuff now. Can't be using that terrible stuff. Alright. Take it down this side. You got Squidward. Hold on. Got Squidward up in this guy. Squidward on my thigh. Squidward up in this guy. Alright, hold on. What's next? I'm going down. We got the Pac-Man right there. Got some little scribbles I did, just filling some space. Got Bosky going all the way across the leg. You know, that's Bosky lifestyle. That's the type of style we live in. That little grave. Hold on, that little tombstone. Cause you niggas is dead. My drip be killing y'all. I don't got the XOXO. Cause when the ladies see me, they want hugs and kisses. You feel me? No love. Cause we don't be loving around here. Got nice. Cause I just like nice. Got a little something filling some space. We did down there. Oh, I like to go like this right here. Oh, cat food. Alright. Yeah. Rest of that stuff. Oh yeah, there you go. Boom. We got just some arrows in a little face. But yeah. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, pan on my arm. Finna go take a shower. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.